I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and navigating to Display or Wallpaper and Style. This puts you where theme accents are controlled. Once done, confirm your phone OS version and manufacturer skin because options differ. Android 12 Plus and custom skins expose accent colors, while iOS limits system-wide changes. Make sure to back up or note your current wallpaper and color accents so you can revert if needed. Now, tap Theme, Accent Color, or Color Palette to load available presets and custom color pickers. You now select a preset palette or open the custom color picker to fine-tune the accent. Once there, sample colors from your wallpaper for cohesive design or type a hex or RGB value when you need an exact match. Make sure to preview how the color applies to quick settings, buttons, and notifications. This prevents contrast issues. If the phone supports dynamic theming, toggle it on to auto-generate accents from your wallpaper. When satisfied, tap Apply or Set to commit changes. You finish by tapping Apply and watching the system update accents across the UI. You may need to restart the phone if changes don't appear immediately. Once applied, make sure to check accessibility contrast and adaptive icon behavior so text remains readable and apps look consistent. If colors behave oddly or some apps ignore the theme, reset theme settings or clear the launcher cache. As a troubleshooting tip, if issues persist, revert to the default theme, reboot, then reapply your chosen color to force a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.